to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you chess. First, we'll start with the name, pawn. When it's on the second rank, it has a special power. It can go 2 squares. 1, 2. But other than that rank, other than the second rank, if it's on the 3rd, 4th, or 5th rank, or other ranks, except the second one, it cannot go 2 squares. It can only go 1 square. And also it is the weakest coin. And only when capturing, if it needs to capture another coin, another opposite coin, it can only go diagonal when it needs to do that. So it cannot go diagonal if there isn't another piece to capture. And that's the pawn. This is the bishop. It can go diagonal. This is the bishop. It can go diagonal. If it's on the white, it can only go on the white. If it's on the black, it can go only on the black. And if it's, so that's how the pattern goes. If it's over here, same thing. So yeah, and also it can go back. If it's here, it can also go back. It's same with all the other coins. It's same with all the other coins. They can go back, forward, and back. So that's the bishop. Now we'll be moving on to the knight. The knight can go in an L shape, over here, or over here. So that's the knight. Now we will be talking about the king. The most important piece in chess. The king can go basically anywhere with only one step. It can go diagonal, side to side, front, and even if it's on front, it can go back. So that's where all the, it can go. It can go 2 steps. So that's the king. Now we will be talking about the most powerful piece, not the most important piece, but the most powerful piece, the queen. The queen can go basically anywhere, diagonal, straight, side to side, and it can also go back, like I said before. Okay, so that's the queen. Now we will be moving on to the last piece, the rook. The rook can go straight, which is another word in chess called file. It can go sideways, and another way in chess, it is called rank. And it can go backwards again, and it can go keep on going like this. It can go all this, but in one move, you can only choose here, 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 or here. So it can choose here, here. That's all it can choose. It can't choose to go diagonal because it can't do this because it can only go straight in one move or like this in one move. Rank, file, or rank in only one move. So like I mentioned earlier, all the coins can go backwards except the pawn. And also when the pawn reaches the other end of the board, it can transform into a queen. And in chess, you must always have a spare king or queen. Or if you have both of them. Because it needs to transform. If you only have one king, that is fine. You can pretend that pawn is the queen. So with that said, I'll see you in the next videos and I'll be giving more information. Next video, thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe to the channel. I hope to see you next time.